Thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So had this dropped off just now, water bowser. Here's a couple of jobs, so it actually can be used as a bowser out in the field. So we'll get at it now. So working on stands now. Cut two pieces of 2-inch box to 6 inches. Then drilled halfway. Drilled it 17mm, and I have these M16 bolts on, so they slide nicely. So these are 50mm box, and a 40mm box will slide into them. So I'm going to weld these nuts on and weld a handle to these bolts, so it's infinitely adjustable really. You can just tighten where you want it. So I'll weld these nuts on now, and so it's ready to weld onto the actual frame itself. So that's the box section welded onto the channel iron of a chassis on the back there. Welded some flat bar as feet to the legs there. So that's the legs added to either side of the bowser, so when you park it up it won't fall backwards. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.